Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 13th of September 2023. After a muted previous session, the bulls were back in action on September 13th, helping benchmark indices inch closer to their record highs led by metal, oil and gas and banking names. At close, the Sensex was up 245.86 points, or 0.37% at 67,466.99, and the Nifty was up 76.80 points or 0.38% at 20,070. Grazim Industries, Coal India, and Tata Consumer Products were among the major gainers on the Nifty, while losers included Jio Financial, HDFC Life, and M&M. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of talent development company NIIT Limited were locked in their 20% upper circuit limit on September 13th, extending their winning run for the third straight session. The stock had rallied nearly 19% in the previous session and 20% on September 11th. The shares have been on a strong upswing after the company on September 10th announced that it has allotted 101,666 equity shares of ₹2 each in accordance with its employee stock ownership plan. We are in the process of completing the other formalities with respect to the listing of the said shares, it had said. Shares of coffeeday Global traded 20% higher on the NSE by midday on September 13th, after the company averted insolvency proceedings and reached a settlement with IndusInd Bank. Coffeeday Global and IndusInd Bank have informed the Chennai bench of the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal on September 13th that they have withdrawn the insolvency litigations on reaching a settlement. kecinternational shares hit a 52-week high at ₹739 in the early trade on September 13th after the company secured new orders of ₹1,012 crore across its various businesses. The civil business of the company secured orders from new clients in the data center and FMCG segments, for building a data center in Western India and setting up of manufacturing facility for a global FMCG major in Southern India. The transmission and distribution, T&D, business of the company has secured orders for T&D projects in India and the Americas, including a 765 kV transmission line order in India from an existing private client and supply of towers, hardware, and poles in the Americas. INDIABULLS Housing Finance emerged as the top gainer in the Nifty 500 index on September 13th. After 22.5 lakh shares of the company changed hands in a transaction worth ₹40.8 crore. The number of shares exchanged amount to 0.5% of the total equity. The buyers and sellers could not be immediately ascertained. Last month, INDIABULLS Housing Finance reported a consolidated profit of ₹296.2 crore for first quarter of financial year 2024, rising 3.3% over previous fiscal. However, its net interest income fell 5.8% to ₹546.5 crore. Shares of Coal India Limited jumped 3.5% on September 13th, recovering partly from a nearly 3% loss to the stock a day before. Wednesday's rise in the share price comes on the back of the company's plans to make a capital investment of nearly ₹24,750 crore. On 61 first-mile connectivity projects over the next couple of years to boost eco-friendly coal transportation. The projects, which will be set up in 3 phases, will have a combined capacity of 763.5 million tons per annum on completion. Shares of Indian Railway Finance Corporation slumped 4% on September 13th. Railway stocks spiraled downwards for the second straight session on Wednesday amid profit booking. Extending their Tuesday losses, railway stocks fell sharply today with Titagarh as the top loser in the pack declining 10%. The correction comes on the back of a strong rally in these stocks which have hit their 52-week highs over the last 1 month. The profit booking in the stocks was accompanied by large volumes with over 13.80 crore shares changing hands for IRFC, while over 6.56 crore shares in the case of RVNL. The situation was similar for other stocks as well. NIIT Learning Systems Limited in daily time frame is trading around 470.15 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.39 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 409.70, which is a good indication for the stock. while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 74.38. NIIT Limited in daily time frame is trading around 140.75 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 19.087 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 101.60, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 94.54. Secure Credentials Limited in daily time frame is trading around 19.25 points with a change of 19.9% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.816 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 17.55, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 55.50. For stocks to watch, we have JM Financial looks good on current market price of 87.9. It can be bought at 88 rupees, keeping target of 93 rupees with stop loss of 84. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.